This is a 2009 Pontiac G8. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 6.0-liter V8. Its top features include 11 perfectly positioned speakers, XM satellite radio, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a rear window defroster, front side impact airbags, a four-wheel independent suspension, a security system, front fog lights, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and a power driver's seat. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
We buy trades for more at Wallace Chevrolet. All trade-ins and all credit applications are accepted. We're located approximately 20 minutes from Palm Beach and St. Lucie County. For more information, please visit our website or come by to see the largest vehicle inventory on the Treasure Coast. We look forward to serving you.